Alright, we here. We here. Ugh. Weekend Tuesdays. Let's see. Today, I don't know, man. I don't know. We broke up past the 100, so still looking bullish. What a title. Got it before me. Damn. Yeah, I'd say bullish. I want the 100s to hold though. Probably come back up before these market lows over here. And we can break up even higher. 250s, I think I saw. Pretty good level. I don't know, I'm tired today, bro. I woke up with a fucking sore throat. I think it's because it's cold. Or maybe because I slept like 10 hours. Because I was so tired. Oh no. Hmm? What is this? How does this glow? Oh. The chat should work on that? I don't know. I have no clue. But we got what? 2 minutes till market open, so we're just chilling. I honestly don't think. Well, we got at 7 we got jolts. Does that do anything? Yesterday the news didn't really do shit to the market. I just got baited. I don't know. Let's see. Oh. I still gotta wake up though. I couldn't find my glasses either. I'm wearing fucking sunglasses right now. I'm wearing my prescribed sunglasses because I couldn't find my glasses in time. Bad day. Oh, where I would put them. Oh, like they would be near my bed, but they weren't. And I thought they would be like somewhere else, but they weren't. I don't know. Oh, 5 minutes looking a little bearish though. I have to wait a little bit. I have to wait for this little fucking. Also, I'm a little lower. But what? I think anything it does like a 50% decent. So yeah, like the 100s down here. Let's see a reversal there. Let's see price going down there first, halfway, and then popping back up to like 250s. If we get that move, we pop up here. Either way, I'm waiting for it. Ooh. Someone saw that. I didn't do anything. It looks like we're gonna drop down first. You catch a fucking early short, bro, off that. Early ash, off market rip. That'd be wild. Let's see. It is Tuesday. Early December. Do I have anything to do? I got something this weekend. Ugh. Oh, I also have to do dishes before I leave. I didn't do them last night. Oops. Kind of just like ate last night and I just fell asleep. I feel like it's bad. Just fall asleep after you eat. I thought you're supposed to like eat. It's like 2 hours and supposed to like you get fatter. I don't know. I think a one-time thing won't matter. I don't even know. So, short ES says CJ. I could see shorts working, but overall, I think I'm bullish right now. I could see us shorting back the move from yesterday. I think everything was what? Yeah, we just climbed yesterday. Like, holy fuck. But good morning, good morning. We're here 2 minutes in. Tweakin, no. I was like, I woke up and I was like, is it Tuesday? Do I have to stream today? I didn't even know what day it was. I was like, I was gonna stay in bed a little longer, and then I was like, oh wait, I gotta get out. I gotta get stream ready. I'm in some shorts. I think I'll flip around 10. Yeah, right now I think it's currently like bearish. It'll probably be bearish until something. I'm thinking like the 7 mark, so like 10ish. But we have jolts then though too, so I don't know. I don't know if anything's gonna happen. I don't know if anything's gonna happen though for that news. Yes, looking. Can I go? Yes. Ooh. It does look a little bit, but it looks like it's holding. So I don't know, a little bit. Yeah, what happens there? Damn, it just looks like it wants to hold here. Look at these fat wicks. What? That's like that's a 20-point wick. What the fuck? That's a lot of volume too. So sus, bro. I don't know. This could be the reversal now. I might not have to wait till 7. Can I play anything that won't get me copyrighted? That will boost you. Crazy wicks, they are. I don't know what's happening. Tweaking Tuesdays, I guess. The energy. Hello, Mon. Hello, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Hope you're having a good day so far. We're out here just looking at these fat wicks right now. It's coming back up though. Yeah, break even. That's good. At least you're getting out break even. These things are just nasty right now. A lot of bullish energy coming in. And if we could break past the 200s, shoot, might be climbing today. Past 200s, looking for the 250s. Oh, it's only like You only focus on NAS 100. Do you trade other markets as well? I only do like the NQ for now, so that I don't have to like learn a bunch of stuff. I can just focus on one thing. Because Nvidia is skyrocketing today. I saw Nvidia was in the dumps lately. Oh, what did Nvidia do today? It was in the dumps exactly, but I saw it wasn't really doing the best. Nvidia. I want to see Nvidia fall back down to the hundreds. I ain't gonna lie. I'm an Nvidia hater. Like, I don't know. AI is cool and everything, but come on, drop down a little bit. I'm more of a AMD type of person. Say, I'm like the same price now. Fucking AMD is falling. AMD's struggling. But anyways, looks like we do get reject. Get rejected off the two. But we're still above moving average. I want it to fall so I can get in cheap. That's what I want. I don't want to get in at 140, 130, but like, it's watch. It's gonna go to 200, and we're gonna be like, shit, I should have bought. I want to get in at like 100, but then also when it was 100, I was like, damn, this shit's expensive. I don't want to get at 100. I also sold early. I'm not gonna lie. Got in hella early, and then I sold hella early. I sold before the fucking split. Before it skyrocketed. I can see a long right here. Bouncing off moving average. This. I think when I first bought Nvidia, it was like 130 something before the split, and then I sold at like fucking like 500, and then it went to like 1,000, and then it split, and then it's just skyrocketing. What if it gets Amazon huge? Damn. I don't know. If it does, that would be fucking wild. Amazon's also skyrocketing. 211. I sold at 180. Oopsies. Oopsies. I hope it's our generation's Amazon or something like it comes along. Yeah. I don't know. Nvidia's like kind of huge though. But it's also like just AI and technology is growing so much that like Nvidia is just hyped because you just need a good GPU, they're good computer parts, good shit. I don't know. I don't think they'll be as big as Amazon though. Maybe they will. Who knows? Maybe they already are. I don't know. What was that by? 86. Man, that was a good It's also below this yellow. I don't buy it. Maybe I should have fucking went long here though. Franco says, man, I've been watching your videos since this week. It's fun watching you trade. Thank you, thank you. Thank you for watching the videos. And welcome to the live stream. I'm probably not as entertaining in the live stream because I'm definitely more tired. But we out here just vibing. It is because of these sunglasses. I'm like, everything's so dark. It's making me tired. When you actually gonna get it? When you're gonna, I can't read that. I fucking struggle at reading. When you're gonna get an actual strategy or system going? I'm working on that like right now. I was like, I'm cooking it. And I'm just like, still like working out the kinks though, and I'm still struggling to execute it. But I'm definitely seeing some more like signs before I enter, rather than just feeling Because usually feeling, I feel like it's the opposite of what I feel. Oh, feelings are just like fucking nothing. I also fucking try to time stuff with the news. Like what? We have news at 7. I want to get out before 7 if I'm in a trade, or I want to wait till like after 7 to get in a trade. But then like there's some setups I see before that I just don't take. Like I think recently I've been playing a lot more off this moving average line. Like anything that bounces off, like right here, would have been a good entry, except it's like right below my other line, which I don't preferably like. The short and ES recovered, small profit. That's good. That's good. It's still kind of sketchy for shorts. I don't know about ES. Oh, wait, ES is way weaker. The fuck? NQ's, yeah, I think NQ's Nvidia is pumping it right now. I hate when it fucking resets it scales too. Gotta scale it back. I like seeing my 10 intervals. Does I'm surprised ES is fucking still bearish though. Still weak. Brinko's gonna go for a short. Yeah, right now is like shorts. I'm still waiting for price to come back up above the 200s before going long. But overall, I feel like I'm kind of bullish today. But right now it is bearish, so I feel like you just don't trade. You know what I mean? It's like going against my bias. You just wait it out. Gotta build that discipline. To build that discipline, I kind of just like put my hands in my pocket and I just like sit here with like daydreaming. And then sometimes I'll miss a trade because I'm not paying attention. Do you think prop firms are worth using? I think they're worth using like to get started, right? So like if you barely have any money but you have a good strategy, it's good to get like that starting capital. Even if like you don't get paid out sometimes because they might be scamming. It's like at least you prove that your strategy works. But in the long term, I don't think they're worth it. I think just like for the initial boost, I would use it. Which what is it? What is it? Spoiler alert, it might be phase 3. It might be phase 3. Why bullish? Isn't the trend line going down? I think daily is still kind of bullish-ish. Gives me bullish-ish vibes, especially if we could crack above the 200s. So that's what I'm waiting to see. But if it rejects, then yeah, definitely bearish. Just waiting to see what happens though. It's still early. I definitely see like it rejecting off these 200s, but after that climb yesterday, like I want it to hold at the 100s. So if it breaks below the 100s, I would go bearish. It's usually how I keep out of trades now. Is usually if I'm wrong with my bias, then I'll be wrong with my reads. But if I'm right, then I could do something. Keeps me out of taking those left and right trades where I'll fucking short, I'll go long, short, long, I'll just keep flip-flopping. Cause I don't know, it's kind of a mess when I flip-flop. Kind of jump in too many trades, so I kind of just stick to one side until something happens. From my what is it? 29 weeks of experience. We are getting the push I wanted to see though. We keep bouncing off the moving average line. Pretty good sign. But ideally I would want it to like fucking come down to 200s and then jump up. But it keeps going a little lower than that. This could be 5 minute. It looks like it has recovered too. It's just a fat drop down. Who knows? Who knows? 5 minutes also back above its moving average. Long term for the damn bullish, but I do flip flop according to my indicators and setups, and I ride trends. Fair, fair. Rodrigo says wild or LD WLD. I'm gonna say that's wild. I don't know. I'm bad with acronyms if that's an acronym. I'd rather read that as a typo that says wild. Looking, I don't know. Right now it's looking like current trend 1 minute is going bullish. 5 minutes still feeling a little bearish vibes. You def go long on NQ now? He's talking about world coin. Oh. Wait, Joe. Oh. Okay. Well, I don't know anything about WorldCoin, but WorldCoin, yes. Thank you for clarifying that. I think what? That's probably crypto. Yeah, I'm bad with anything besides NQ. I have no knowledge, or ES. That is the extent of my knowledge for trading. I barely branch out because I feel like you can only branch out if you're profitable in one thing. I'd rather not touch too many things and then just like fail at all of them. I'd rather just focus on my thing and then still fail, but one day. Yeah, it's looking good. It's still bouncing, but you see that volume? Oh, it's looking baity. It's looking like it's trying to bait me in. I only trade ESL and sometimes NQ. Yeah, that's like me. Except like flip flop. Like I'll trade only NQ and then I would trade ES, but like I'm too lazy to like mark out 2 charts, which is kind of bad. Maybe in the future. Mostly I only trade ZAI USD and a bit of GBP to the yen. Oh, fair. Futures or not futures, forex right there. Little forex. I started with SPY options years ago and transitioned to futures. That's like how I started with NQ or QQQ options and I transitioned to the MNQ. Gold is cool though. This chart is called ZAO. Why is it called ZAO when it's gold? Like why can't they say something? By the way, you know about liquidation, right? Liquidity or liquidation? Like I don't know. There's too many terms right there. I thought liquidation was like if like your fucking account gets blown and like they just liquidate everything. Or is that something called something else? No idea. Silver is Zach? What the fuck? Maybe it's just XA. XA is just like their commodities. It's chemical name. Is it? Is gold? I thought gold was AUG. Oh, I guess that makes sense. Wait, but what? It kind of makes sense. Oh, what you said, liquidity. Oh, okay. Yeah, understand liquidity a little bit, but usually I just use it as like sweeps. Like it'll sweep like a high and then it'll drop down as like a liquidity sweep. That's what people usually say. AU chemical chart X exchange. Oh wow, Captain with the knowledge. Okay. Is gold AU? I thought it was AUG. I'm bad. I haven't taken chemistry in so long. So oh, it is AU. Wow. Wow. The more you know. Now I know. I'm just gonna look at symbols and just think about fucking chem, bro. I'll be like, oh, if it ain't a chem thing, I don't know. Cool though. That's sick though. Actually, thinking about it more, that's sick how they use fucking the symbol for their fucking exchange. By the way, Tweakin, if you want to learn more about trading, I like you, so you could join the Discord servers I made to help new traders. It's free. I'm not a guru. I'll join. You know, I just gotta make. I think everyone talks about Discord, but I need to make a Discord account before joining anything. I've like seen Discord, but like I don't really touch it as much with like I need to make a Tweakin account. You know, I think I have an account that I use, but it's like old. We just a bunch of vet traders that are bored trading alone. Oh, that's cute. I rely solely on indicators, my custom algo, and chart patterns. Fair. Yeah, what is it? I've been like looking at like, well, I think people want a Discord. I said 2,000 subs, I'll start a Discord. And then usually, I don't know what you do. I feel like you just look at people's trades and then like just talk about trading, which is legit, you know. It helps with the loneliness part of trading. DJ loves Discord. Shoot, we might have to do a Discords. Might have to start one. I might have to sign up for Discord on my Tweakin account. I'm just bad with like anything social media though. Besides, like, I'll post on YouTube like once a week, stream, but then other than that, like, ooh, I barely check Insta, I barely check my email, I barely check Twitter. I don't know, I feel like I'm bad with that. Even though, like, I'm right here, like, I'm bad with social media. It's when candlestick has a long hollow stick on the top or bottom. If it's at the top, means the buyers are selling their shares or contracts, leaving the candle going down if you see it, but yeah, something like that. Like this little sweep right here. Look, on the 5 minute, like sweep. I don't know. I take it as that. Make one now so everyone here can join. No. I like to push stuff off. 2,000 subs, I'll make one. 2,000 subs, I'll make one. Takes like a minute. Okay. I'll think about it. I'm just lazy, bro. I'm not gonna lie. It's also like morning. Bitcoin dropping in value near future. Bitcoin. I feel like Bitcoin and like all the things just stay in like a range, a really wild range of like 30K to like 70K. If it's the opposite, people looking to buy. Okay. Right now, volume is happening. I think it's waiting for Joel. It's at 7. I think that's what the market's doing, so that's what I'm gonna do. And I made 3% yesterday. Today I lost 1%. Ooh, that's pretty good though. It's making 3%, right? Still up 2% net on the week. DJ, do you use Ninjatrader as your broker too? Yeah, I use Ninjatrader. You're all Ninjatrader. Bitcoin, it still has one more step in the bull run. It should hit 105K before doing the usual 40% melt. Really? You think it hit 100K? What about Ethereum? Because I have money in Ethereum. I don't even have one Ethereum though, so like it's not like too much, but it's kind of like I'm gonna hold to see what happens, because you know, you never know. Maybe 4 years from now it'll blow up. Maybe it'll fucking go to 0. Who knows? You'll be our Bitcoin of the decade. It was 107K. Ooh. Oh, it is at 90. Wow, it is actually a lot higher than I expect. I haven't checked in a while. It jumped to 90? That's fucking wild. Ethereum's still struggling at fucking 3.5. Come on, Ethereum. Come on. Go to 6K. I use TradingView. I would like to get in a Discord with people that actually do trading. I can ask about my trades and if I could have done something different. There, don't worry, Franco. Hit me up at 2,000 subs. and I will be that Discord. I don't know how long I'll trade for though. I'm not gonna lie. 99k is current all-time high. Shit. Rodrigo says he's betting is gonna go down. Altcoins have been gaining the most. We need new Bitcoin that starts cheap so we can be millionaires off $100. We do need that. But I feel like anything that's like $100 is always a rug pull now. It's always sus. XRP main winner. But I can't. With crypto, I can't keep up with like all these coins emerging, altcoins and stuff. Most of the trading discords are filled with sketchy people. Everyone just praising the server owner. If you want to set up a server for you, when the time comes at 2,000 subs, I'll drop a server. But thank you for the offer. But when we're closer to 2,000, I'll drop a server. But I don't think people will praise me as a server owner. I think people will clown on me more, which is fair. Which I'll take with a grain of salt. I'm gonna tell you something, but you might not like it, but it will help you. I'm all ears. I'm dying. I'm all ears. Yeah, crypto got messed up with all the shit coins. Yeah, crypto's a cesspool of like, can I trust it or not? Better a clown than a god. I'll have a fucking Discord picture of me with a clown noise too. You're trading the demo wrong as a new trader. You shouldn't focus on discipline now. You should focus on taking 50 to 100 trades a day to improve the reading of the market and develop a sense. Fair point. I also feel like I've had my phase where I've just like been trading. 50 to 100 trades a day is crazy though. No? Right now, many of the entries are invisible to you because of that. I feel like I should also be working on like an edge though, rather than reading market direction and stuff like that. Cause like usually I call something and like the call generally works out throughout the day. It's just like I have to find like the entry points. But like what I've been playing off is like the moving average. So what, you'd enter here, but I like to pair it with something else. I like to pair it with like my lines too. I also like the discipline factor, because if I do take like 50 to 100 trades a day, I feel like it'll be hard to transition out of that phase for me. It's like, what? I'll just be gambling. I don't know. I've wasted so much on random coins that go nowhere. Now I do legit regulated shit. Fair, CJ. Fair. Nah, he right. Do a lot more trades even if it's theoretical. When you trade real, don't pass the 2 to 5 a day. Fair. not 100 to 200, but like 20. Not about gambling or winning. It's about reading the market. I feel like I do like reading the action, but I also don't want to like. I just want to trade it how like I would trade a real account. I feel so that like there's not like when I switch over back to a real account or like a prop firm, I don't have to go through the conversion of like getting used to trading this way again. I rather just trade the same and then just what is it? Mentally take the trades, but not like physically take them on my demo account. So like here it bounced off. Like mentally take note that I could have entered there, but like it just died anyways. You're at the point where you do challenges for fun. It's crazy. That's crazy. What is it? Don't they have like a World Cup that you could do for trading? I don't know if people do that, but I saw something about that. Ooh, 99% gold. Blade Zero is gonna be top Discord, bro. When we start the server, he's gonna be the guru guy. He's gonna be the gold guy. Right now, doing 20 to 100k. What are you at? What are you at in that? 20 to 100k. What's the current? Was that 100k? Blew it down to 150 now. Ugh, that's tough. But if you started at 20, still up. You know, still up. Well, if you're doing it for fun on the side, then like, how do you make your income if you're doing a challenge though? Or you just not make your income while you're doing the challenge? I got my friend on server that's been trading GJ for 20 years. Down 90% from the start. Oof. Tough. I've been waiting to start one soon. I've watched hundreds of hours of stuff about props. Definitely be patient and treat it like a real money even after you pass. Fair. It looks like Jolt came out and nothing happened. What's up? I feel like nothing happens with news right now. But I feel like before, like, I would see red news on Financial Juice and stuff would actually happen. We're going up to the 250 though. Any of these entries would have been good. I think that one would have been fine. This one was that one would have been a toughie to enter on. You missed the 100 pip trade on gold because he's focused on my stream. Hey, low-key, I missed an entry on longs too because I was focused on reading chat. I'm not gonna gap. Do you have a main account? Fair. And a real life business. Okay. He's got that money. Blade Zero's got money. Chain my entry. Also taking like 100 trades though, like I can't even with editing how many I'd be fuck, those videos are too long. I can barely edit when I take like 3 trades a day. Plato was grandpa. 37. Oh my, oh no. Oh. Hey, 37 is not that old. No, I'm not gonna lie, it is kind of old for me. I thought 24 was old. Hey, but if he's 37, we gotta listen to him. Treat him like our dads. Our grandpa. Is it back to being like bullish though? I think that was just like a bottom. I don't like posting other streams like this, but you should all try watching Petra Forex stream on London sessions. What time is London sessions for American people? Like, what time does that start? You someone I took a lot of discipline from? Cool. Even that one hit the 250s. Potential trade coming. You help me improve my edge. Ooh. Do you think your edge would carry over from Forex to like NQ or like to futures market? Or do you think your edge only classifies for like gold? It's like 5 AM, I think. Hey, what if you just did like a 24-hour like stream of just trading each market? So like you do London session here of that, then you fucking come up and you do like futures market for like all the day, and then you do something else. Yeah, it works on every chart. Ooh. Fancy. 8 AM London session at 5 York. Ooh. I'm too lazy for streaming. I mean, it's not that much more work. It's just you might get distracted and miss some entries. Also, I guess you gotta talk. Asia sessions be dry as fuck for futures. London's okay, but New York's the best. Yeah, I think New York's the best for futures. I'll tell you, Tweakin, get a Discord. Yo, add me, and any new viewer you have that wants to learn. Aw. Alright, Unc. Don't worry. 2K subs. 2K subs. Boom. Discord drop. Boom. Server reveal. Boom. Boom. We on the up from there. We'll talk about edge. What's your edge? Like an indicator, self-taught, discipline, or just price action like that. So abstract that I'm not genuine. I'm not. Like, what is an edge? It's so abstract. I'm not fishing genuine question. Jaden says hi. What's up, Jaden? It's been a minute. Been a week. What's up? I feel like an edge is just like a visual cue for me. Something that like you see and it's like, oh, I want it. You know, and you enter. It's really respecting the fucking moving average line. Also, what, we've barely moved 100 points today. Ooh, that's not. That's looking a little tough. Volume wise, not the worst. Blade Zero doesn't use any indicators. Fair. Nika says hello, ayo, what's up? Welcome to the stream. We're back for another Tweakin Tuesdays. Like I said, I'm on my grind again. We here. Liam recommended me to watch some Lewis Kelly videos. Maybe you should give it a try too. All right, let me find a notebook. Let me write down all these names. Fucking Tetra FX, Lewis Kelly. I would say I would check it out, but I always forget the names. I wrote it down. My little notebook. My little trading notebook. Bro, if y'all use algo trading, it's easy. How do you use no indicators? I can see people not use indicators because sometimes indicators are whack. How did the week start? The week started with me missing a fucking entry yesterday. I missed like a plain ass entry because I was scared of news. But I guess the news didn't do shit to it, so I could have just entered anyways. If you want to learn swing trading, Tory trading, and Trader Nick, they're among the best on YouTube. Fair. Swing trading is like I feel like it's a different breed. Or like not a different breed, but like you have to be like a lot more patient. You gotta wait like days or weeks for it. You know what I mean? And I don't know if I could do it. I don't know if I could wait that long for a trade. Indicators are just used to make reading the candles easier, but they all use the info the candles give you anyways. Yeah, it's fair. Yeah, I use OB fair value gaps in horizontal lines. Order blocks. I think that's what OB stands for. Ooh. Everyone, see, I feel like a lot of people use different chats. Whatever works. I don't know if we'll get a trade today. Like a decent trade. Dip says, how you doing, buddy? I'm doing okay-ish. I woke up a little tired, but I'm feeling more awake. I also have like a little, little sore throat, I feel like, because I think it's just cold. I think the cold's getting to me, like the less daylight. Also, I did sleep a lot though, so I think that might have done something. But other than that, I'm doing pretty good. Eating mad capital for good swings? Probably because you only catch like a couple swings a year. Yeah, I can see that. You should learn about stop loss pools and how to spot them. Okay. So if I want to improve my trading, should I just buy the trading view backtesting and just SPA trades for a week in a row till I'm good at it? Without a strategy, just there's too much there. I'm bad with reading. Support resistance are good for small ranges if you want to scalps. If you want bigger trades, stop loss pulls are more important. Isn't stop loss pulls just like the concept of like liquidity sweeps and stuff like that? Like usually where a lot of people have their stop losses, like price will come and sweep it. Isn't that like the ideology behind those? Like right now, I would say people are long. They want to have their like stop losses down here. So I want to see something fucking just ruin that shit and then bounce. Oh, so it is like a liquidity sweep. How can you know about a stop loss pull when you can't see the orders? I think you could generally gauge it. Like behind like lows, people usually have their stop losses. That's just a guess. That's just a guess. Like right here, I would feel like there's one. Like above the highs, there's probably like shorts or some shit like that. I don't know. That's just like guessy. I'd have to like pair it with like a strat that I do. I don't know why I fucking muted. Why did that? I don't know why that showed him he's muted. I think I'll keep climbing. You better jump in. Yeah, I'd probably climb, but it could climb without me. I don't really care. I want to see, like, I would want to enter like down here. I feel like I'm more stubborn about my entries. I feel like if I enter, I just chase and then I get like stopped out easily, or like I have to like sweat through a pullback. What's my strat? My current strat is playing off my lines and my moving average line, and following my theories of my daily bias of whether I'm bullish or bearish, just like using these accordingly. That's just what I'm currently doing. Like right here would have been a good like entry for longs, but also like volume's kind of low. I was waiting for jolts. I didn't really want to get in yet. Right now, I don't know. I feel like I don't really do well in ranges, and like we have barely fucking climbed like 100 points today. So I feel like it's more rangy today. Especially looking at this pre-market. Highest we get was like 250. Probably like a range today. Yeah. I like to see it's like I say a line, but like I give it like a 10-15 point leeway. So like it'd be like here to here in reality. But like drawing too many zones would like blow me off. Or like I would have too many zones, you know what I mean? So I draw it as a line. But in reality I do see it more as like a tenor. Like I expand it by 10. So like this would have been fine. These would have been fine. That one would have been fine. Use a fixed RR by the way. I try to at least get 1 to 2, like, but usually not really like that fixed because usually I'll let my like winners like cook a little and then just trail stop loss. Icy says, yo, thank you for the content. You're a big inspiration and it's great to catch people live for a change. I'll tell you, thank you. Inspiration to make everyone trade better by watching me. MSB retest and long, my shot right there. Yeah, I'm looking for like something down here. Or like a sweep lower at least. I don't know. Right now I don't know. It's just like maybe it's a slow climb up, but I don't know. Right now I just don't want to enter on anything if I see something better. It's always like this on Tuesdays though. I always feel like it's like fucking a mess on Tuesdays. Maybe I should trade my trading days to Thursdays, bro. Weekend Thursdays. Or maybe I do both. No, but like fucking Blade Zero said, streaming is a lot of energy. I always feel like a little. I always get hungry and tired. It's just lagi. I'm bad with words too. Quality in his way say it's going sideways in not a fun way. I like to say it's wiggling. It's just wiggling around, bro. I feel like it always does this shit on Tuesdays. I feel like every Tuesday I come here and we're like always in like a range-ish. Or always doing like this weird ass movement. There's something this week? Is there like something big coming out on Wednesday? I don't see too much. Rome coming out, bro. Jobless claims on Friday. I don't see anything. From the lowest point there, between the third and fifth candle, order block just got tested. Something like right here. Ooh, your fair value gaps. My brain sucks. Right here. Something like right here. I don't know. Right now, I feel like I just don't enter. It's like I'm not gonna get like the moves I want. I do shoot for the stars. You know what I mean? Like the 150s. Oh. But yeah, 150s was like okay-ish. Die. 7. It's only 7. It hasn't even been an hour yet though. Waiting for come back to like the 186s. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for it to come down again, sweep some lows, maybe sweep anyone here. But also I'm waiting for like volume. What the fuck? Why is that thing scrolling? What was that? I don't know. Lukey, what's up? Oh, why does Lukey's I was about to read that and then he got retracted. Thomas says no movement today. Yeah. After yesterday moved a lot, so maybe today makes sense not to move too much. Hey, how's it going? What's up? I'm doing chill. What about you, Lukey? Hope you're having a good day. I baited myself in the chop. Oh, that's tough. Honestly, beginning of the day, it looked promising with a lot of volume, a lot of movement, and then it just kind of died. So, fair. I'd say fair enough. Crypto is more violent. Yeah, crypto is a lot more violent. That's why I don't know. I don't think I could trade it. I like it. Maybe my choices in women. What the fuck? That's crazy. This guy is crazy over here. Oh, volume's hella low. What are we waiting for? What is happening? I guess we are near the highs ish. It's not even like going up down. It's just like, oof. It's like tighter too. I don't know. Hey man, lit 5 grand on fire today, but shake it off tomorrow. Yeah, shake off that 5 grand. Ooh. Yeah, shake that shit off. Yeah, you got that, Thomas. That's all you, brother. How long do you stay in positions, and what's your take profit? If that's target to me, I'm still working that stuff out. Melt Goldie melt on a short in it. Gold's melting right now? That's crazy. Blade Zero wasn't getting distracted? Oh, that's even crazier. It's just after it took liquidity from the 150s down to the 140s, it moved back up. You haven't retested it? Yeah, it did. Oh, we're getting a drop down. That's weird. We reached that level, just sir. Just gotta see some. You gotta see something. I don't know. Below moving average for me. I don't know if I enter yet. Trading 20 NQ contracts means 5 grand disappears quick, but hey, 20 grand even quicker. That's crazy. 20 contracts on NQ is wild. I was distracted by gold from the stream. Market going crazy maybe because of South Korea. Ooh. I know we're Civil War? What the fuck? The fuck? I don't keep up with news. Damn. Wow. Broke out not long ago? Shit, maybe I'll hear about it on fucking TikToks and stuff in like an hour. And maybe I'll see it on my Apple News when I scroll left for like 2 seconds. We close about 206, you'll enter. There. I think if I see, yeah, I could see a long coming up soon, especially after that. Like I think that was just sweep low. Honestly, I think that was just a sweeper. World's going crazy lately. Yeah, I'm looking for that to affect the stock market to give me some discounts. You know, not gonna lie. My broker has put me up 100k plus in margin to trade 20 contracts. Oh. Honestly, my inner. Like, if this green candle holds. Oh, it kind of struggled right there. Oh, it kind of. Oh, it just got slapped. Right when I was about to enter. That's crazy. That's fucking wild. I'm just wait. Oh, push back up. I'm looking for like a decent candle, but I'll put my stop loss at 175. But yeah, I'd say like this here, saying 206. 206 is pretty good. A bear run would be nice so we could get shorts all day. Yeah, it would be. And then like you could also be buying. You'd be buying stocks, you know, Nvidia at 90 bucks. Imagine the day. Oh my god, they're all getting slapped. I don't know, I think they're just getting slapped right now. What am I waiting for? I'm waiting for a decent green candle to show that buyers are back. I'm okay with not getting like the best entry, but I rather have like better confirmation, especially on the 5-minute. Like if it was closing above like the line, it would look better. But this is the last minute one, so we could see. Yeah, but that's why we're trading differently. I feel like I'm trading more for like my edge and discipline wise, and then Blade Zero is saying like we go more for entries. But I'm also like trying to do like an edge test, you know, not rather than like entering like crazy. I rather give confirmation to see if like my strategy works or not too. I feel like I am comfortable with entering because I can enter like crazy. Like we saw that on like live. We saw that on like on my live account. I could fucking just enter off random. But like right now I'm working on like sticking on an idea. It lets you use wait, you could use hotkeys for orders? I know I'm paper trading, but I want to trade it like a real account right now. I'm not gonna be paper trading like my whole life, you know. It's not about enter random. I mean, like if you enter on any of these candles, I'm like, what's your strat? You're just entering to enter just to see if you could get like a read. But like, if I have like confirmation, I'll enter. Ooh, I mean like I don't know. I follow your edge. That's what I'm saying. I'm waiting for confirmation to follow my edge. I'm waiting for like a decent thing as confirmation to confirm, and then I'll go in. Like none of this was part of my edge. Like if this green candle closed like here, I would have entered. It's just like I need like a better thing. For you, it's not a buy on your strat. You can't test your strat with spamming it? Exactly. That's why I'm not spamming it. Wait, I'm confused. This guy's saying follow your edge, but then he's also saying trade 100 trades. I'm confused now. I'm confused, Blade Zero, sir. You're switching up on me. It's looking bearish though. Tools, hotkeys, buy market, control up. Ooh. Ooh, okay, I'm gonna look into hotkeys. You got me thinking, Icy. I'm looking at hotkeys so that I can just like I don't have to like use my mouse. Ooh, that's interesting. All right, Blade Zero's he's gonna cook his explanation. Your edge is resistance support to inner, right? Not technically. I also like to use moving average. I like to use like multiple things to like as confirmation, and then I'll enter. And also like the final piece is like a strong bullish or bearish candle. Something with like this is a strong bearish, I would say. Like you could have entered in short here. We're also below moving average. What I'm cooking right now for my edge. So it's like it does not like a lot of entries, but it's like there. But I also don't like to trade today because I feel like it's just messy in general. Like low-key might be down to buy now off of that. I'll wait for your explanation. Let's let it cook. Let it cook. Investment's been doing 2x in a month. Ooh, that's pretty good. Pretty good, Nikus. I feel like me and Dister are waiting for like the same share right now. Not gonna lie. But also like I don't know. Today is also like a day to like I feel like I wouldn't want to trade. I feel like I'm not gonna get the movements I want. Looking a little poor today. Jaden's preparing for some entrance exams. Good luck on those though. And once you pass those, you can come back and pass your combines. That's in the OT order block. It is kinda. Tweakin, where are you from? The US? Hell yeah, the US. US born and bred. Is that what they say? I'm still trading on your $100 live account. Feels better than trading paper. Just makes me feel more invested. Yeah. I could feel that. Because when I switch over to demo, when I wake up, I'm like, it's only a demo. Do I really have to trade today? But I still get up. I feel like it's good to just get up. First, you should also look at the higher time frame so you can know direction more clear. But if you only use 1 minute, you have many top wicks that would test your stop loss range. As for bias, we broke SMA and failed to kiss it again. That's tight stop loss, clear bias. I guess you did have a tight stop loss. It was like 15 points. I just feel like it's hard to justify a trade today in general. You know what I mean? One day we'll have a great movement day on Tuesdays, and then boom, we could be talking about good trades, bad trades, left and right. There are known very safe strategies. I don't know. Known very safe strategies. I don't know. Yeah, you could trade other people's strategies, but I rather theorize something, take pieces from other people's strategies. You know what I mean, and then like build my own. That's why it's gonna take a while. I feel like it's gonna take me a little bit. This feels much easier way of trading for me. Around 44% RR or win rate. My bad. We was backtesting mechanical strategy for last week. I tested it for a whole 2024 and got 62R. Ooh, okay. Stress was killing my profits. You need to have a range you want to trade. You want to get before entering the trade. This is the best to build your own. What is my profit side risk goal? I usually at least go for risking 20 points to 40 points for reward. But sometimes I want like a wider stop loss, so I'll go 30, 60. Or more. More than like, it's more than 60 plus, you know what I mean? Usually like we'll get to my target, and then if it's really strong, I'll like trail it to see if I can see if it's gonna break past my levels or not. Because usually sometimes it does. And then you can catch like pretty bigger ones. And then if it doesn't, you get stopped out where your target is anyways. You know what I mean? Tweakin trades. What's up, Zora? Have you ever tested range bars charts? No, based off what you just said, I have no clue what that is. Tested range bar charts. Tested like a range? Like, I don't know. Like this range brand? What is this? 70. I kind of want to enter. Is this big yellow line of BPOC? This one? This is like my big yellow lines are like where I like to see price move a lot and respect it. And if not respecting it, then I don't want to enter. It's usually I base it off like the 1 hour. And it's usually like if it's above, it's a buy. If it's below, it's a sell. That's what I usually use my yellow lines for. Volume's coming back in. This could be a buy. 5-minute candle also got bought up. Is this 72? It is looking like a decent long, but it's also, I don't know, today I feel like I'd rather just sit out. Low key. Sometimes it's good to put stop loss in profit to get rid of risk. Yeah, that's what I do. Like I usually move my stop loss up while we go. Peaky. Control up. You think I can control up this? Oh, got slapped. Come on, man. Come on, come on, candle. Push back up. What is that? I want it to come up here. Oh, bye. Boogie.
Order filled.
I feel like me and Dister just both entered on the same shit, bro. What the fuck? I kind of want my stop loss here though. 1027 candle. It is. We might be wrong here. Me and Dister are both gonna fucking get stopped out here. Watch. It's gonna be horrendous. I can see it though. It's like a higher low on the 5-minute. If this holds on the 5-minute, it's looking okay-ish. But if it doesn't hold, oof, we're in some trouble. Oh, you're behind this, below this wick right here. Fair enough. You started your trading journey in crypto. Those were good times. This man's wild. This man wild as fuck. We're finally in a trade. Do my 1 trade a day and walking away. Be back in 15 to check up. Alright, Dister. We'll see you in 15. You might not even have to wait for 15. Do 5-minute held. It's looking okay-ish. I don't trade it active anymore. Oh. Nickus is a crypto maniac. Made enough from SHIB, Bitcoin, and a few more. Wow. Hey, if you understand crypto more than Forex, fucking trade that shit. You got that. 2019 to 2020? That was before COVID then, no? Did COVID like change the crypto market? Like crypto, I feel like a lot more like shit coins got introduced during like after COVID. I feel like pre-COVID, crypto was more low key, more like you had to know. But then after, I feel like everyone knew about crypto, and then it just like changed. I feel like the market changed a little. It was the one that Bitcoin hit 64K. Ooh, and meme coins reigned. Yeah, we could lower. I'll just keep stop loss where it is until I see something better. Move it to. But look at us on Tuesday. We took one trade at least today. If this goes in your favor, do you expect pullbacks hitting a trailing stop loss or hitting take profit given the market? I think given the market, I'm just gonna keep my take profit here. But I feel like it might struggle to even get up there. We might just come back down, you know? But I think I'll just keep it for now, given the market conditions today. I don't think it's a day where you expect us to break up even higher. Which you know, I could be wrong. And I'll just take my things if it hits anyways. But we are seeing a little bit like higher volume than this, so we'll see what happens for these other rests. Because usually at 8, I like to see what happens. 'Cause it could get wild. We could drip like hella low. We could reverse. We could fucking go higher. I don't know. Usually at the top of the hour, like there's a lot more volume sometimes. Are you gonna respect the moving average line again, sir? Please, please. I don't think it is. I think we're cooked. I just like to say we're cooked because 5-minute holding. What it is, what it is. At least we took one trade. Let's see. I don't have to get groceries today as my chore list. My chore list is doing dishes. What else do I gotta do? I think that's it. I think I just gotta do dishes today. By this weekend, from my experience, Nas is not one of the easier charts. But imagine if you could tame one of the hardest ones. Yo, big guy trading, why not place a trend line? I don't know. I feel like trend lines are broke trend, broke trend. But still be in a downward trend though. Also, I feel like I like Nas more. I feel like I'm more tech heavy anyways, cause like I feel like I pay attention more to tech stocks anyways. And then I feel like Nas moves like a fucking monster sometimes. But I don't know. It drew me. It drew me because like it can move a lot, but it could also fucking wipe you out a lot. I don't know. High risk, high reward. Except crypto. Crypto is my brain can't get beat wrapped around crypto. So like volume's dying out again. But we'll just let the trade play out. I don't think we're gonna hit take profit. I think it's a fucking scuffter. It's snowing. It's snowing. Where? I'd rather trade an easy market though. I'm here to make money. I feel like you have to adjust a little bit. Like if I was trading like an easier market, like I would have like you would have like tighter stop loss and then like smaller take profits. I guess could work out. But I don't know. Yeah, this one, if this 5-minute fucking comes down, where we are, probably more downside. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I think it's more likely our stop loss will get hit before take profit. Especially because this is a fucking lower high. Oh well. Maybe we have to live stream on Thursdays, you know? Tweaking Tuesday, tweaking Thursdays, 2 days a week. Could I do that? Nah, I could. Maybe in the future. Maybe when I get better at trading, I could trade 2 days a week. Tweaking, what's your poison? Mine is cola and weed. Oh, you mean outside of the markets? Mine is social drinking and weed, yeah. If I fucking take a shot, like, you definitely know I'm drinking like half the bottle. Basically, like, if you get me started, like, you better, we're sending it. And then weed, yeah, fucking, it's poison, bro. I'll take like half an edible, be knocked out for like 5 hours. And then like after, I always feel like drowsy or like lazy, like gloomy-ish. I don't know. Since you're doing a lot on your own learning, have you seen Iman Trading's channel? I think I have. The one that he like roasts other people or like exposes other people. Mine is sandwiches. Franco's so wholesome. Sandwiches. Yeah, drinking too much. Ugh. And then, because like whenever we drink socially, I feel like we always go on benders. We go at least like, so we always drink on trips, so it's always at least like a 3-day bender. I'm boring as fuck. I don't know how people drink that piss. Yeah, it does taste like shit, but it's like the effects though. You know what I mean? It's the effects we care about. Drinking it, that's why I drink hard alcohol more than like beer or like other stuff. Or if you had to like choose like a good one to drink, I think soju is pretty good. Like flavored, so it doesn't taste that bad. My friend made me drink. It was like burning and left me on the ground. Shrooms beats alcohol. Fucking wild over here. I think I've only done shrooms like once. And our whole group was like, I think our whole group took too many and they were tweaking out. But like I went outside and I was like, wow, it looks so good. It looks like a movie. It was pretty chill. Even like it was like the sun setting too. It was like, wow, movie vibes. It looked really nice. I can't replicate that look. I think shrooms are better than the alternatives. Yeah. Yeah, that's the guy, huh? His CFTC trading strategies are principal way of trading if you want ideas. Maybe one day I'll be like testing out this strategy from this person as a video. You know what I mean? Potential video ideas. Oh, in Europe it's common and half legal. That's a Europe trip, boys. Europe. Like no damage to the lungs, don't taste bad, and you can take them any. I feel like shrooms do taste bad though. They taste bad. I don't like the taste of shrooms. Or maybe the ones we got. But like I feel like shrooms don't taste good. You can't do them every week or month? You can't? Are you not supposed to or something? Are they bad for you? Do they fuck up your brain? Like psychedelics? Or is it like, what is it? I don't know. Not really too experienced with shrooms. Potential video idea, testing my viewer strategy. Could be. First, I would want to be profitable. Trading under shrooms. Look at all these video ideas. Imagine. I don't do them, but why can't you? Yeah. Why can't you do shrooms every week or month? Oh, tolerance builds up quickly? No, you just don't do anything if your body doesn't figure how to break them down. Oh, so it is like tolerance. Alright, Dister. It looks like we were wrong, bro. Can't get the same effect without waiting like 2 weeks in between. Oh wow, these people are experienced. Okay, okay, I see you guys. That's crazy though. Like what? It's not like that. Yeah, alcohol or weed, my body doesn't get used to it. But I feel like people do build a tolerance with alcohol, but like it's not like that quick as I guess with shrooms. Yeah, my body gets used to it. Noted. Hmm, that's interesting. At least you know. But what if you just like keep doubling the dose each like 2 weeks? Like every 2 weeks you just like say fuck it, and you just triple the dose. So it keeps hitting, and then the next week you're like fuck it, another triple. Yeah, your stop loss is below the wick, so you still got some wiggle room. But me, I'm out. I'm out right here. If you're not getting tolerance, you ain't taking enough. Doesn't matter. Oh, okay. You can eat a box when you have tolerance. Oh, bro ends up
Phil?
dying. Hey, maybe distance is below the wick. I'll keep my cursor here to see what happens. Do 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 do. Ooh, ooh. It is buying back up a little though. Oh, maybe this just stop loss is the move, bro. Or did I just curse it, bro? Did I just jinx it? I'll knock on wood for you. Wait, though. Mm-hmm. Ooh, it is getting bought up a little though before hitting this wig. Still possible. It holds, then it goes up. Oh, see it. Pick up. Oh, don't worry, don't worry. Hey, just lie about your age, Blade Zero. Just say you're 12. Imagine he's like, I'm 14. Even though he already said his age earlier. Imagine you were like talking about shrooms and you're like, yeah, I'm 14. I would be fucking dying. April? That's coming up. Oh, 23, such a baby. 14 is hell. Oh, fuck. It was below the wick, huh? I'll give you my bank account, the offshore one. You can retire. Alright, there's long still in play. We haven't hit the bottom of the wick yet. ICS's volatility is dead. It's kind of tweaking right now. I don't want your money. I want my own. I want EP retire. But volatility is dead today. That was the only chance I saw volatility res. Oh, you can see it here resing. Good res right here. That candle got bought up. Is looking longs are cooking. But range day, I don't know. Maybe I would just take profit to like here. Not looking the strongest. You'll get there, Franco. It takes a lot less than what people think. Oh, fall. Let's see if I treat this as a zone though. 15 points. Oop, it is like that. First goal is like 100 to 200 a day consistently, and then free to grow it. Yeah, I think that is the goal. 100, 200 a day, and then with trading, you could easily scale up. As long, I feel like if you keep your emotions in check, you could easily scale up. Like, you just keep adding contracts, right? I don't know how hard that is, like, to do. I feel like if you just keep following the same things, I feel like you could do it. But that's what I see as trading. Is like once you get it, it's like you just scale up, and boom, you got your money. I feel like there's a limit to how much you scale. But like 20 contracts. Who's the person that had 20 fucking contracts like that? I feel like that's the limit. That's the sky. 20 NQ contracts on a trade. No, fuck. I think I might have jinxed it. Lost 90% of my account, but I'm making small gains and my losses are bigger because of my stop loss and risk management. Oh, if your losses are bigger, that means you need a higher win rate, right? Like you need a fucking 80% win rate. Is the indicator measuring volume, volatility of both? Weird stuff happens to me when they're out of sync. I don't know. I feel like this is just price action, right? Or like, I feel like this is the volatility one. We're just gonna fall back down to this line, the 150s. Are we gonna respect it again? It was one fucking tick away from my stop loss. You're still in? Are you? Are you still in? Are you are? Never mind, rip. Tomorrow's another day. Yep. Get that bag tomorrow, Dister. Today is also like low probability trades in general. This is the volume. But you know, I had to try it. It was a good effort. You get that bag tomorrow, man. You'll be I mean, volume is... Oh no, I'm lagging. Oh, I'm back. My PC was about to die right there. I think something's wrong with my PC. I think I have to clean it. Traded for three months, then took a break, then finished my masters. Then I went back for... Been doing it for 2 months. So 5 months of total trading. Not me. That's like almost me. 6 months. Wait, maybe 7 months? Hey, we almost the same. Franco, add me on Discord and send me some trades you took so I can analyze it. Ooh. Look at that. Don't worry. Once we get to 2K subs, we could do it in my server. Wait, what are we cooking? We'll have a channel for trade critiques. We'll have a general chat. We'll have roles where you'll have a veteran role or like a trading role, profitable role. Cooking ideas. I mean, if you've seen my first couple episodes, you know, man, yeah, or even like the mid ones, oof, probably worse than yours, Franco. Probably been worse. We don't hate, we celebrate. Is that what they say? I'll be the Lord and Master of charts in the Discord. That'll be a role. Supreme Emperor. And then we'll have someone overthrow you one day. We'll have Unk status for anyone over 30. And only Unks can overthrow you. Which I don't think there's that many old people or like older than 30 that watch me, right? There can't be. I refuse. I think I looked at the demographic. I feel like a lot more are like 18 to 20s. Senior club over 30. Over 40 is gonna be like the grand seniors, grand elders. Oh shit. I don't think they'll join Discord. If you're 40, would you join a Discord? Or like over 40? Probably. If you've been used to Discord for like if you use Discord in your 30s, you'll use it in your 40s. But if you're new to it, I don't think you would. We just ugh. And I think we're just gonna be sitting in this fucking trash range all day. Is there anything we could do? Fucking flip a coin. What this coin tells you does not tell you anything. Tails, fuck. Alright, we'll keep the stream going on for another 30 minutes. That coin flip definitely wasn't me debating to end stream or not. It had no power over the stream at all. Looks like trash though. I don't know if I'll trade anything. Maybe you could play like tight range, like you buy here, sell here. Might be going for that range. Like it held on the 5-minute. So if this candle holds, it doesn't even look like on like the 15. Take a look. I don't know how I feel about that on the 15. Scary? Like I don't know. Oh, what about the hourly? That's some. Yeah, that's something. It's something, I would say. Bullish? I'd still say bullish on the hourly. With that long ass wick. I still see potential for the 250. What else can we play with? 30s? Mixed feelings still. Huh. How about that one? This could be the move up though. Me and Dister just got fucking wiped out. Boom, it moves up. It came back for him too. That's crazy. That one was crazy. It got me out. Was about to go up, and it was like, "Hold up, we got a job to do." Fucking wiped more people out, and then kept and went up. That would be fucking wild. My play is only an hour long. Like I've been hearing repeat. Hold up, let me see. Let me see. Hour and 39 minutes. I shouldn't be hearing that many repeats. I've heard like 3. Oof. Oof. Are getting that push up. Let's say you somehow got in long at the beginning. 160, stop loss 35s. And you're just holding all day. Oh, that would be tough. Or maybe your target's here. You market highs. Ugh. I don't know. What was that? Choked on water, bro. Let's see. We are moving up though. Is there anyone else live? I wonder who other people watch. I feel like I just watch fucking Tweakers live. Oh my god, this guy's down. I'm not gonna show it on stream, but this guy's... Holy fuck. I guess that would happen to me if I traded a lot today. Oh, we are getting the push up though. Hold up. Hold up. Come on, hit the 250s. No. Where I would want an inner though on that move. Like, you just gotta be in it to be in it. Maybe off of that. Crossover of that. Top loss is like pretty tight. Fucking working though. But it did get stopped at the pre-market highs at like 220. Highs right here. Gonna reject? Don't reject this. Maybe it bounces back here. Wait, Blade Zero, would you say gold? Gold, the US is easier than this, but it moves a lot? Or would you say it just like it's just easier because it doesn't wick you out? Like what determines an easier chart, basically? How would you quantify an easy chart? Just easy to read or like interesting? Interesting. Come on, go up, go up. I want to see us push 250s. For the one time, the easier chart is less affected by stuff you can't control. It goes less sideways. Yeah, sideways ones, I feel like NQ goes sideways a lot. Oh, that's nice. I think direction's nice. Yeah, compared to this, you like the direction? I feel like we still go up. 250s. Still hitting. Pretty decent move. It was growing in volume too as we moved up. There's a lot of liquidity spikes, but doesn't like go sideways in small ranges. I think that's fair. Like just like going up and down, but like these tiny things is like the more upward the movement, the faster it dies out. No, Rick, don't say that. This movement's not gonna die. Over 500. Damn. Damn. Hey. Yeah, we're struggling out here on NQ. I think NQ had 1, 2, and this is the third move. If you're channeling them. Yeah. You don't have to be in like all of them, but yeah. If there's 7 moves a day, it's like you could pick and choose, you know what I mean? Like you don't have to go all 7. You could be like, oh, whatever fits your edge or whatever you're paying attention to, because I know you missed one earlier. I don't think I'm gonna catch a trade for the rest of the day though. I think we're just gonna be sitting sideways, and I don't really do well sideways unless maybe you could catch a short up here. Damn, everyone always talks about gold like that. Maybe I gotta look at gold. Everyone's always saying that with gold. Everyone comes to my chat like gold. Open the gold chart. I don't know if I have that paid for. If you under what indexes? What would be under? Crypto, DAX, Dow, Forex, AUD, right? We say AUD or AUG? I don't think I paid for it. I didn't pay for it. I didn't pay for this chart. I only paid for NQ. It was the cheaper option. It was the cheaper option to only buy MNQ. I don't know if I have it to pay for it. Yeah, you have to pay for the data on Ninjatrader. Like, I think what I get charged like $2 a month. Oh no, this is demo. It's just like I think their broker, how they do it is like they charge you $2 a month to get like the data. Yeah, that's why like I was like sus about it, but I was like, fuck it. Yeah, it is what it is though. It's only like I think you could pay to get like all the data for like I don't know what the cost is, but it's something like that. But like I was like, I only trade NQ, so I only need NQ data really, so I only pay like $2. Yeah, I don't know. Like on like like other things you don't have to pay for it, but you have to pay for it for this one. So I was like, damn it, man. Like what? I get charged. Yeah, your market data subscription renewal is like what, $2? Yep. Let's see. Yeah, you could subscribe to like other stuff. I don't know. Yeah, like the data itself is like you do like $12. It's like bundled. Stuff like that. I just paid like $2. But not really like too much. Not really anything. Like what are these? Yeah. That's why I feel like I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. Like if you move to like other stuff, like other brokers and stuff, like I don't think you have to pay for the data. Like well, I was on like Robinhood, you don't have to pay. I was on what is it, Schwab now? It used to be like what, Thinkorswim for what, TD Ameritrade, but now it's Schwab. You don't pay for the data, it's just they have like higher fees. I feel like there's always trade-offs somewhere. Either fees or you have to pay for the data. But yeah, that's the thing. Yeah. It's your thing. Regulations maybe make it harder. Oh yeah, you're not in US, you're Europe. I forgot. But yeah, there are brokers you don't have to pay it for the data. Yeah, I feel like there is freer demos, but this one, I was just using it for the live account, so I just traded it over. I still use it. I think there are free demos though that I probably should have looked at, but like I don't think I'll stay on demo that much longer because it's like I think at most like a month, and then I was gonna go test it on like a prop firm to see if my strategy works or not. I think there are free demos. Just I think I could do Thinkorswim for free and then just like have like play money, but I think it might be a little delayed. I think I have to check up on that. But yeah, I probably could have just done Thinkorswim. Hold up. Hold up. Yeah, I don't know. It's only $2 a month. It's like what, like a coffee, like or a Red Bull. Like it's nothing really. I do use. Let's still look at like other stuff. What is it? What were we looking for? Zao. Could look at Ugh. And look at this for the day. Ugh. This is the day chart. It will be moving. How do I go to daily? That's the time right now? 16:10? Am I on the right time? But still, they accumulate over time. They do, but it's still like I don't know how long I'll be on it for. You know what I mean? Like a year, it's only like 24 bucks. It's not like that bad. Like a present. Still is bad though, but is it this time though, or is it? Am I tweaking? Is it really? Is it 16? What? Is it really? Or is this based off a different time zone? Oh, it's probably based off different time zone. I'm just tweaking. Right? I don't know. But we do move up. I don't know. We are kind of sideways. I don't know. But we are doing those little sweeps. So I guess it is what it is on gold. Leave. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know. 250s, 250s. Any takers? Any bulls? Any bulls hit the 250s? If anything, I'll probably end a little earlier, like 8:20, because I don't think I'm gonna take any trades. Probably end in like 5-ish minutes. Any last comments though before then? Let's see. Wrap up the day. We took one trade. Yeah, it's decent. I mean, it is what it is. I think another trade I could have taken was like this one. It was also pretty decent to take. Get distracted, man. That one would have been good. Off of the moving average, also within my yellow zone, and like pretty strong bounce in response to that. But I don't know. My target would have been like up here though. Probably would have been break even or like tiny profit. Here we entered here. It was a decent move, but it just got fucking thawed out. I think after I saw these two candles, I was like, it's cooked. I was like, it was cooked. They were like decreasing volume. It did not look good after that. I could have got out near break even. I probably should have. Would have got out like a little for a smaller loss. Oof. Wheel. I let it play out, and it didn't play out. Let's see. After stream, 2 dishes. Get ready. Probably take a little bit of medicine because I feel like when it's cold, I feel like I get a little sick when I sleep, or like I get like, what is it, like a runny nose when I wake up and like congestion. Maybe I should layer up more when I sleep. I don't know. Yeah, man. You know. But we are kind of rejecting off the top again. I feel like I still think we're gonna hit the 250s. Then maybe we would come back down in the day at like the 200s. If nothing crazy happens. That is my prediction for how the day will go. Not a lot of movement. Hopefully tomorrow, let's see. We look at the news I have. Let's see. No really big things today. Tomorrow we have ADP employment changes. I don't think, but that's like pre-market. During the market we have PMI final. I didn't really do anything yesterday, so I don't think I'll do anything tomorrow. Same with this thing. Factory orders. I don't know. I don't know if I'll do anything. QFU Drive says, yo, good luck. Thank you. Good luck to you, whatever you're doing. If you're trading, juggling, selling drugs, good luck to you, good sir. And then what? Friday's the 5th. Is Friday the 5th? Today's Tuesday. Friday's Thursday. Or the 5th. The 5th is Thursday, right? We have jobless claims. Fed speakers. No prowl. I see you next time, Blades. Thanks for all of the above. Thanks for tuning in though. I will probably, let's see where the market is. Yeah, I think now's a good time to end it. I don't think 3 minutes, whatever. I don't think we'll do anything. But yeah, thanks everyone for tuning in. If you're selling drugs, stay away from the feds. If you're trading, good luck, because you're probably trading gold. Other than that, see you next week, or see you on Sunday. Bye bye.